Atongoi Ulei kwi Umunthi Nimathokea Mauvisi ma Muvea wa Kuthuima Uthukumi wa Muvea wa Volisi Ipoa Itina Kuvithukiwa ni Volisi na Mbulili kwi Iyoo na Vala Ngali Syoo Inathangiwe na Isasi na Ingi Syaanangwa Iyoo na Mavia Maumite Kanisa ni kaunti ya Muranga. Atongoi ni mutongoi wa chama cha DAP-K Iyoo. Atongoi yani maweta kana serikali ya Musumuli Mruto yitomea mauvisa ma Volisi kunyamasya alama te ikwata mbau na Vala menda Ipoa yose matambia mauvisa asu. Wandukwito Joseph Kitheka ni watumbanisya mauvo.
Itina wamama Atongoi mamulengo wole kwi Iyoo Kuvithukiwa ni mauvisa ma Volisi na kusiwa maivita kapindani kalama na Maumite Kanisa ni wa AIPCA Christ the King kuya kaundini ya Muranga na kukusia nduthi Vala Ngali Syoo imwe Inathangiwe kuisila kwa kila maweta takuathangwa na Isasi ona kuvikia amamo kuumia.
I welcome you all to this meeting.
Yuki Umunthi ni metha maithokea Mauvisi ni manene Muvea ula ukunikela Uthukumi wa mauvisa ma Volisi wa Ipoa Kuandikithya Livoti Iyoo.
I remember my windscreen was shattered as we joined the main road, and my driver could not see forward, so we lagged behind. And I want to confirm these police caught up with us, myself and my driver and my Range Rover, and they literally damaged all the windows, all the side mirrors, it is actually a cost of more than 2 million, which I'm going to undergo in repairing it. And then they told us to lie down. I don't know, we were suspecting that injury is actually a gun shot, because they shot around 6 times when we were lying down, the two of us. And they told us to shout 2 times. Unless we shout 2 times, they are going to kill us. And they pointed the guns at us, myself and my driver. So basically we had to say 2 times so that we can be saved. So myself, I voted for President Ruto during his first term. So it appears he wants to force me to vote for him a second term.
Atongoi Atongoi ni mutongo wa chama cha DAP-K Iyoo na mbunge kautangalikoni Ulei ni maelesya undu serikali yithitwe yimathinia kapindani kalama atambukite kundu kivuthukanio mayumania vanene tambia yu ya muthenyani wa Iyoo.
We engaged that police officer known as Cyrus by now. He's an OCPD in a neighboring constituency. Actually in Kahuro, that is Kahuro police station in Kiharu constituency. Because we wanted to identify where the order was coming from to stop us from either leaving Kuvithukiwa or who was commanding him. Because there were allegations that he was being commanded by a fellow member of parliament, a local member of parliament. I would also like you to investigate the people who are there, because one of the police officers is from Kuvithukiwa constituency, but he's based at the Central Police Station here in Nairobi. And he is affiliated with a local member of parliament. He's popularly known as Birash. So that we understand how a command can come to get one police officer from Nairobi to join other police officers from Kiharu, and they go and cause the mayhem that they caused.
Ingi ni maelesenza maino ya Ipoa kana nimekusaniwa muno nundu serikali yithitwe itumia mauvisa ma Volisi kumanya maasya na maikuona mauvisa asume wakonaniwa mayoso wa matambia mai makimiao Vala maweta ni vinda vikie yu Muvea ukulikila nikenda kuvosya nthi ikalike maundoni maithoko mbe na itina osa kwani ukite mayenda mauvisa ama natweisye wanangikosu wa Iyoo moso wa matambia mai makimiao.
I want to confirm the police officers who were uniformed did not appear at this particular event, because you know when we were left behind and we could not move, we moved aside on one of the feeder roads. So when we were trying to see what we are going to do, these people you are calling goons came. They were around 10, but they are not goons. All of them had pistols. So this story of goons being joined to appear like they are with police, I'm telling you, it is that special squad of 101, the one former Deputy President always talks about, that killer squad. It was there. in Muranga yesterday, and I experienced them myself personally.
They had handcuffs.
And they had masks, and they had handcuffs, and each had a rungu and a pistol.
And this was reported in the media. It became a matter of public interest. So we have already commenced investigations.
Joseph Livoti Bilingi wa Mauvoo, Atongoi TV.